This is how you troubleshoot your smart in-wall plug. There are 3 methods in troubleshooting your in-wall plug. These include rebooting your router, turning off the power by switching off the appropriate breaker, and repairing the device. It is recommended to follow these methods in this same order until one of the method works. Now let's get started. Method 1. Rebooting your router. Simply power off your router and wait for 10 seconds before powering it back on. Method 2. Rebooting your in-wall plug. Cut the power going to the plug. Ensure you also wait for 10 seconds before powering it back on. Method 3. Repairing the in-wall plug. Simply hold the powering button for 10 seconds. The light should start to flash indicating that it is in pairing mode. Like this. Now go into the app and click Add Device. And select Socket Wi-Fi under the Electrical tab. Then input your Wi-Fi name and password. Follow the rest of steps provided by the app. Once finished, a timer would be displayed. After some time, the plug should be paired successfully to the app. And that's it. You should have the ability to control the plug through the app.